Imagine a world where every living thing, plants, animals, even humans, is just a machine controlled by tiny, invisible masters. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that this is exactly how evolution works? That we, as individuals, are merely vehicles for our genes, who are fighting a silent war for survival. Welcome to The Selfish Gene by Richard Dawkins, a book that changed how we see life itself. Published in 1976, The Selfish Gene is one of the most influential books on evolutionary biology. Dawkins introduces the revolutionary idea that evolution doesn't favor individuals or species, but rather, genes. These tiny strands of DNA are in a relentless struggle to replicate and survive across generations. Sounds interesting? Let's break it down with some easy examples. Key Idea 1: Genes drive evolution. We often think of evolution as survival of the fittest, but Dawkins shifts the focus. It's not about the survival of individual creatures, it's about the survival of genes. Example: imagine a giraffe with a slightly longer neck than others. It can reach higher leaves, get more food, and survive better. The gene responsible for its long neck gets passed on. Over generations, this leads to the evolution of tall giraffes. This is how genes, not individuals, are the real winners of evolution. We are simply their carriers, their temporary, survival machines. Key Idea 2: The selfishness of genes. Genes have only one goal: replication. But this doesn't mean they always promote selfish behavior in individuals. In some cases, genes encourage cooperation if it helps their survival. Example: think of bees. Worker bees sacrifice their lives to protect the hive. Why? Because they share most of their genes with the queen. By protecting her, they ensure their shared genes survive. This is called kin selection. Helping relatives can be an effective strategy for genes to pass on. Key Idea 3: The illusion of altruism. At first glance, nature seems full of kindness, mother birds feeding their chicks, ants working together, humans helping strangers. But according to Dawkins, even acts of kindness have selfish genetic explanations. Example: parents caring for children. It looks like pure love, but at a genetic level, parents are ensuring the survival of their own DNA. Even human kindness, such as charity, can be explained through a theory called reciprocal altruism. Helping others increases the chances that they will help us in return. Key Idea 4: The meme concept. Dawkins doesn't just stop at biology, he introduces the concept of memes, ideas, behaviors, or cultural practices that spread like genes. Example: think of a viral TikTok trend. Someone starts a dance move, and soon millions copy it. Just like genes, memes compete for survival in our minds and culture. Some fade away, while others go viral for generations. This idea of cultural evolution has shaped fields like marketing, psychology, and social media studies. Conclusion: why it matters. So, what does this all mean for us? We are not just individuals, we are vehicles for genes, designed to help them survive. Selfishness and cooperation are both strategies for genetic survival. Ideas, like genes, evolve and spread in society. Dawkins' book doesn't just explain biology, it changes how we see ourselves, our choices, and even human society. Whether you agree with it or not, The Selfish Gene forces us to question what drives life itself. If you found this idea mind-blowing, imagine what more you can learn by reading the whole book. Let me know in the comments, do you think our actions are controlled by our genes? Or do we have free will? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening book summaries.